If you've been trying to stack images in Lightroom, here's the most important thing to know right away. Lightroom Desktop, meaning the cloud-based version, does not support true image stacking. Stacking is only available in Adobe Lightroom Classic. So if you came here looking for a stack command inside Lightroom Desktop, you're not missing it. It simply isn't there. In this quick guide, I'll show you what that means, how to stack images in Lightroom Classic, and what the best alternatives are if you're using the desktop version. And if this video helps, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more quick Lightroom tutorials. First, let's clear up the difference between the two apps. Lightroom Desktop is designed for cloud syncing and simpler photo management. Lightroom Classic is the more advanced desktop workflow app, and that's where you get tools like stacking, folders, batch organization, and more detailed library control. So if you want true stacking, you need to open Lightroom Classic. Here's how to stack images in Lightroom Classic. Go to the Library module and select the photos you want to group together. These are usually burst shots, bracketed exposures, or multiple versions of the same scene. Once your photos are selected, right-click on one of them. Then look for the stacking option. From there, choose Group into Stack. Lightroom will place the selected images into a single stack, keeping your film strip and grid much cleaner. You can also collapse and expand the stack anytime by clicking the small number or arrow on the thumbnail. If you want to add more photos later, just select the images and use the stacking options again. This is especially useful for HDR sequences, event photography, or anytime you shoot several similar frames and want to keep your catalog organized. Now, if you're using Lightroom Desktop, here's the closest alternative. Since you can't make true stacks, the best option is to create an album. Select the photos you want to group, click the plus icon, and add them to a new album. This won't behave like a real stack, but it does help you organize similar images together. Another smart option is to use flags or ratings. For example, you can flag burst shots, rate your favorite version, or label matching images so they're easier to find later. So the simple rule is this: if you need real stacking, use Lightroom Classic. If you're on Lightroom Desktop, use albums, flags, and ratings to keep related photos organized. That way, you'll still have a clean workflow even without stacking support. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Lightroom tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.